Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My English book Standard 6. Today's chapter Nuju's project. In this we see interesting conversation between Nuju and Akshay. So let's start. Who is the guest in Akshay's house? A space settles in front of Akshay's house. What is this strange light? What do I see? Hello, I am Nuju from the planet Mars. Hello, I am Akshay. I can't believe my eyes. Are you real? What do you mean real? I am here on my school project to study human body parts. I need help. Oh, you have projects. I will help you. I have many charts, models, books and tablet. This model shows human body parts. So let's start. This is forehead, eyebrow, eyelash, cheeks, chin, throat, neck, nostril, eyelid. And you can see here face, palm, elbow, wrist, knee, ankle, heel, big toe, toes, leg, thigh, hand, wrist, stomach, arm, chest, shoulder. At me, this is my elbow. I can move it like this, but not like this way. This is my shoulder joint. I can turn it in a 360 degree. Wow, can you also tell me about other living things? Nothing simpler. What is this, children? Oh yes, this is an elephant. Let's see the parts of elephant. This is called tusk, trunk, front leg, hind leg, tail. Yes, bull. So it's called horn, jaw, hoof, horse. Lion, it's called whiskers, mane, paw. This is our little sparrow. It's called beak, bill, feather, wing, claw. I know what these are. They are antennae. You are right. It's a small snail. Oh, my buzzer's ringing. My time on earth is up. I must go. Thanks friend, bye. Let's meet again.